Have you ever finished a wet tissue pack and just thrown the lid away? Don't do that yet. That small plastic lid can actually be reused in really smart ways. Let's get started. First, remove the lid from the empty wet tissue pack. Peel off any sticker and wash it well so it's clean and ready to reuse. Idea 1. Safety cover for power sockets. Place the lid over an unused electrical socket. This helps prevent kids from touching it and also protects it from water splashes in areas like kitchens or bathrooms. Tip practical. Idea 2. Kitchen wall hook. Stick the lid onto a kitchen wall. You can use it to hold small cooking tools like spatulas or utensils. It keeps things easy to reach and organized. Tip number 3, storage box for kitchen use. Take the lid and attach it to a plastic container. Cut a hole that matches the shape of the lid. Now you have a simple storage box. You can keep plastic wraps, food covers, or small kitchen items inside. It helps keep your kitchen organized. Idea 4, small portable container. Take 2 lids and glue them together. Now you have a mini box you can carry in your bag, perfect for pills, toothpicks, or other small items when you go outside. Tip practical. Idea 5, trash bag holder onto it. Glue the lid onto the side of a trash bin. Then hook the trash bag handles onto it. This keeps the bag from falling inside the bin, even when it gets heavy. So those are 5 simple ideas to reuse wet tissue lids instead of throwing them away. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Easy Genius DIY, and share it with someone who loves simple DIY hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.